How's schooling today? This year, we're going to explore not just the subjects and activities that fill our days, but also the names and meanings behind many of the things you'll see around your school. Learning these names will help you understand more about your environment and how everything works together. So let's start! The first one is our bag. Our school bags are more than just a way to carry your books and supplies. They're essential tools for organizing and personalizing your school experience. It's our classroom. A classroom is a vibrant learning environment where education comes to life. It's a space designed for students to engage with various subjects, collaborate with peers, and interact with their teacher. And we have here our desk. A student desk is a personal workspace designed to support your learning and organization. Typically equipped with a flat surface for writing, reading, and working on assignments. It's a bookcases. Bookcases at school are essential fixtures that help organize and store a wide array of books and educational materials. Positioned in classrooms, libraries, or study areas. You know this one, right? A blackboard is a key tool in the classroom used for teaching and presenting information. Made of a smooth, dark surface, it allows teachers to write or draw with chalk, making concepts visible to the entire class. A workbook is a practical educational tool filled with exercises, problems, and activities designed to reinforce learning and practice new skills. Each page features exercises that complement classroom instruction, allowing students to apply what they've learned in a hands-on way. Hey, it's your notebook! Notebooks are versatile tools used for capturing notes, ideas, and assignments. With lined or blank pages, they provide a personal space for students to write down lecture notes, organize thoughts, and work on various subjects. Wow, it's our pencils! Pencils are fundamental writing tools used for drawing, note-taking, and completing assignments. Featuring a graphite core encased in wood or a plastic barrel, pencils offer precision and control for various tasks. The eraser is a humble yet indispensable tool. Often found nestled in pencil cases or perched on desks, the eraser's primary function is to remove pencil marks from paper. A ruler is a sleek, straight-edge tool essential for measuring and drawing precise lines. At school, a ruler helps students with geometry, crafting, and general precision tasks. Scissors are a versatile tool found in every school, essential for cutting paper, cardboard, and various craft materials. With two sharp blades joined at a pivot point and comfortable handles, whether used in art projects or classroom activities. Glue is a crucial adhesive found in every school, used for sticking paper, crafting materials, and various projects together. Glue helps students assemble their work with precision and creativity. A stapler is a handy office tool commonly found in schools, used for binding multiple sheets of paper together with metal staples. It is essential for organizing assignments, reports, and notes. Paper clips are small, simple yet essential tools found in schools, used for holding together stacks of paper without causing damage. Paper clips keep documents organized and easily accessible. Sticky notes are colorful, self-adhesive papers commonly used in schools for jotting down quick reminders, organizing tasks, and making notes. They can be easily attached to notebooks, desks, or walls. Crayons are vibrant, wax-based drawing tools essential in schools for coloring and creative projects. They come in a wide array of colors and are easy for young students to handle. Crayons help bring drawings and artwork to life. Colored pencils are versatile tools used in schools for detailed drawing and shading. Available in a spectrum of vibrant hues, they allow students to add depth and creativity to their artwork and projects. World maps and globes are essential educational tools in schools, providing a visual representation of Earth's geography. Both tools help students understand spatial relationships, explore different regions, and learn about global cultures. Congratulations, kids! Learning the essential names of things at school helps build a strong foundation for communication and understanding. You enhance your ability to navigate your studies and collaborate effectively. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more learning videos.